Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out guys and girls. Whether you flaring brake lines or you have somebody else flaring brake lines, if you make one slight mistake, you're going to kill somebody. So you want to definitely pay attention to this video coming up right here on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, real quick. There's 3 types of flares on a brake line. First of all, fanatics out here, you got 3 brake lines. 1, 2, and 3. The first one is called the single flare, which means, now these right here represents the wall of the brake line. They flare it out just like that. That's a single flare. That, do not do. I don't even care what you do. They say you can use that on 5 to 10 PSI, no matter what you do. Do not use that no more. Alright, the second one is called the double flare. Now the double flare is the single flare, but what it does, it brings the metal out and then loop it back in. So that's like a double right there. So the wall is double. That is a good one. And then what you have, the last one is called the bubble flare, which on the outside of it, the end of it, they actually take the metal and that's the preferred method as of today, the bubble flare. Now, why am I telling you this? Because I don't know. I'm just making conversation. Nah, the reason why I'm telling you this is because there's a lot of videos out there, and this is where I want you guys to step up, guys and girls, to step up and go to these videos and tell them to stop because they're going to kill somebody. This one right here. This is the one we're going to be focusing on. All right? We'll be right back. All right, guys, real quick. Now, this is a double flaring brake line kit, and a lot of when you get the heck out of here. When you're double flaring it, the line is going to go through on this side. It's going to stick through just like that. Then you're going to flare it. So what guys out there is doing, guys, and this is I don't understand. This is real. I mean, not to call nobody dumb or nothing, but I just don't understand it because you're just putting people's lives at risk. What they're doing the double flare, and then what they're gonna do is take this tool, flip it around, put the line in there, take the die, put it in there, and what they think is going to be called a double flare. So I said, okay, a bubble flare. So I said, okay, I'm tired of this. I'm tired of people jeopardizing other people's lives. So what I did was flare this line, and then I went to the store and bought an original bubble flare line. Look at that bubble flare. And here's, matter of fact, I can go on a black background.
I got it.
Better.
It focused.
And you look at this one. This one is where I bubble flared it using that double flare tool. Do you see a difference in those lines? You notice how the one right here, the back part, is really flat. That's because I put it up against that flat tool, which is not supposed to. But if you look at the other one, it has a more of a circular, more of a curved appeal to it. It's more of a bubble. All right? That's a big difference right there. That's a huge difference. And just that little difference can cause that brake fluid to come out there and cause somebody to get into an accident. All right? Now that you got that straight out, I'll be right back. All right, guys, check that out. Something so simple that only took me a couple of minutes to explain. This is what I don't understand, guys. These guys on YouTube are doing this, and some of them might be good guys and might be thinking they're doing something correct, but they do not realize that they are jeopardizing your life or somebody else's life by doing a bubble flare that they think is a bubble flare. And this is what I don't understand. The bubble flaring kit, it's only, I was looking on Amazon, the top one was like $35. So this is where my position is on this. These guys would rather take a double flare kit, do it the wrong way, as long as they think it's a bubble flare, instead of spending $35. That means your life is not only worth $35 to them. You cannot do this. So, having seen this, guys, for yourself, what I need you to do is go to these videos and tell these guys or girls, whoever's doing it, I don't care. Listen, you're doing it the wrong way. You're going to get sued. Now, okay, now bringing up the sued part. Now that we got that established, that these two flares are not the same. They're not bubble flare. This one is not a bubble flare. Now doing that, now we know that, we have 100% proved that. These other videos out there, if anybody out there get into an accident and they say, well, I just had my brake line done or flared, and if they go into investigating it and find out it's not, these YouTubers, the YouTube videos out there, they're getting sued. And you can get sued for that, because that is a life and death situation here. It's only $35. Dang it. I mean, you tack it onto the job, I don't care, but it's only $35. You cannot jeopardize people's lives on something so small. Just that little thing can kill somebody, whether it's the driver or whether it's somebody they run into, or something, somebody's pet or something. The reason why I'm doing this video, because we just came off of doing a video of a 2005 Chevy Impala. We converted it over from ABS to non-ABS, and we had the flare lines. We didn't have to flare any bubble lines. We had to flare double lines. So, it just kept going through my mind of seeing that. So guys, girls, this is your chance to save somebody's lives. Please go to these channels, tell these guys, stop doing that. Take that video down. They're not the same. You see these guys, that's all they do is do the flare and, hey, we got a bubble flare. No, tell them to take a micrometer and match it up to a true bubble flare to their bubble flare. And guarantee you, it comes out different. It's different size. It's not going to work. They make the kit for a reason. Use it. All right? I'll be right back.
Okay, I hope you guys learned the real way of doing a bubble flare in this video. If not, you know what to do. Watch it again. Alright, so if you guys have any comments or questions, post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.